everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use les pronouns sujet or subject pronoun and pronom complément des objets directs or direct object pronoun. These two topics come under pronom personnel, which is very important. When do we use pronom personnel? We use pronom personnel to avoid repetition. So let's start with les pronouns sujet or subject pronoun. The purpose of this is to replace subject and names. And in order to learn this, we need to know what is a subject. A subject is a noun coming in the beginning of the sentence doing the action of the verb. The placing is the same place as the subject. We will replace the name or subject with the following: je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. To note, any noun plus moi will give you nous, and any noun plus toi will give you vous. So, let us do a few examples. So, we have Tom habite en Normandie. Tom lives in Normandie. So, I'll help you for the first one. Tom is the subject. How can we tell this? Because it comes at the beginning of the sentence doing the action of the verb. So how will we replace this? We will replace this as il, and this will come in the same place where Tom is, because that's the placing. And then we type the rest of the sentence, which is okay. Now, I want you to try to do the next one. Lucie travaillait à Lyon. Can you tell me what the subject is in the sentence? That is correct. Lucie is the subject in the sentence. So, how will we do this? In place of Lucie, we will write elle, and we will write the rest of the sentence. So, that's how you use the pronoun sujet. Let's move on to the next subject, the next topic, which is pronom complément des objets directs, a direct object pronoun. So, a direct object is a noun connected to the verb without a preposition. Okay? And it answers the question who or what. Purpose is to replace direct object. Placing for passé composé before auxiliary. For imperative affirmative, place after the verb. For imperative negative, place before the verb. We will replace direct object with the following: le, la, les. Let us do a few examples so you understand more about this. So, il préférait l'été. Do not take les to be a preposition. So, they is connected to the verb without a preposition. So, how do we write this? We will write it as il, and l'été will be substituted as les, and it will come before the verb, which is préférer. Let us move to the next one. Il aime l'été. Again, we have to see after the verb, which is l'été. Remember, les is not a preposition, so té is the direct object here. So we will again write il, and remember, for passé composé, we place it before the auxiliary. If you don't know what an auxiliary is, it is a verb or in this case, which comes before aim. So we will write les again. The reason we are writing le is because they is masculine. If it was feminine, we'll write la. If it is plural, we'll write les. After les is supposed to come before a. And we will continue writing aim. Let's move to the next sentence. Achète cette rose. Can you tell me what the direct object is in this? That's correct. It's trousse. Set is not a preposition if you guessed it wrong. So how will we write this? Remember, we said for imperative, affirmative, place after the verb. So the verb here is acheter. So we will write acheter as it is, and cette trousse is feminine. So we will write la. And that's how you do le pronoun the object direct. But there is also an exception. To note, if passé composé is conjugated with avoir, the infinite will agree with the gender of the direct object. This is very difficult to understand, but if we do an example, you will understand. Let's take this example. Elle a acheté ses roses. So, the direct object is ses roses. So, we will replace it as it is. We will write elle, and we will write les, because ses roses is plural. And we will write the rest of the sentence, which is a acheter. But since ses roses is feminine, we need to add an extra e, because acheter should agree with the gender of ses roses, which we have substituted les with. So let's reread our sentence to see the exact meaning for you to understand more. If passé composé, we have here passé composé, is conjugated with avoir. Acheter is conjugated with avoir. The infinite, which is acheter, will agree with the gender of roses of the direct object. So say roses is the direct object and gender is feminine. So that's why we added an extra e. I will highlight this for you. So try to do the next one. So if you guessed the sentence to be elle and cette lettre is feminine, so we will write la, and we'll write the rest of the sentence as a écrit. We will add an extra e. Why? Because cette lettre is feminine, and remember, the infinite will agree with the gender of the direct object. So la is feminine, so we will add an e. I hope you understood what I've written. If you haven't, please write a comment down below so I can try to explain it in a more sensible way. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.